Now children, let's see about our different types of natural vegetations differently. Okay, so what was our first forest? First was tropical evergreen forest. Okay, tropical evergreen forest. Now see what are they? What are they? These forests are found in regions of very heavy rainfall, generally over 200 centimeter yearly. Okay, they are found. These type of forests are found in those areas where very heavy rainfall will be is there. Okay, approx 200 centimeter yearly. Okay, in a year where approx 200 centimeter rainfall is there, in those areas these types of evergreen forests are there. Because of this only these trees are evergreen throughout the year. Okay, because of this only these trees are evergreen throughout the year. Okay, now where are the what are the places where these types of forests are found? Odisha. Okay, in India Odisha is there. Then Western Ghats. Okay, Western Ghats are there in India in the west direction. Ghats are there of the river. Okay, near that Western Ghats and northeastern regions of India. Northeast में which are the places which are situated in the northeast. Suppose this is in the map how we are looking the direction. Up north is there, downward south is there, this side east and this side north, west. So north and east. Okay, north and east. So all those places which are coming between the north and east. Okay, in the northeastern part of India. Okay, where very heavy rainfall is there, these forests are found there. Okay, so these are the places. In the book it is written together, but I have written as a heading, and then you can then I am able to tell you, and then you are able to listen it and learn it properly. Okay, so then what are the trees found in these forests? Rosewood, mahogany, teak, sal and ebony are the trees which are found in evergreen, tropical evergreen forests. Children, the questions can come from it that what are the places where evergreen forests are found, or what are the trees where of tropical evergreen forest. So you have to learn this and you have to remember also. Okay, so say it properly. So rosewood, mahogany, teak, sal and ebony are the main trees which are found in tropical evergreen forest. And children, one more thing, ebony are the main trees of these tropical evergreen forest. Okay, why? Because these are the main trees which are green in color, evergreen you can say throughout the year. Okay, these ebony trees are there. These are the main trees of these tropical evergreen forest which are green in color throughout the year. And why they are green throughout the year? Because there is very heavy rainfall. Approx 200 centimeter yearly they are getting the rainfall. That is why the trees which are found here are evergreen throughout the year. Okay children, so this was about the tropical evergreen forest. Okay, so next what was the next? Next was second number, tropical deciduous forest. Okay, tropical deciduous forest. Now what are they forests? These forests are found in regions of rainfall between 100 to 200 centimeter yearly. Now where are they found? These type of forests or these types of trees are found where? In the places where 100 to 200 centimeters rainfall they are getting yearly. Okay, they are getting 200 centimeter. Okay, approx 200 centimeter means 200 centimeter or more than that. Okay, but they are getting the rainfall how much? 100 to 200 centimeter. This you have to remember it children properly. Okay, where deciduous tropical deciduous forests are found? In those regions where 100 to 200 centimeters rainfall they are getting yearly. Okay, so now what are the places? Okay, where they are where these types of forests are found? First is Deccan Plateau. Okay, in the map work also in the previous chapter you have done this Deccan Plateau. In the map of India you have shown the Deccan Plateau in brown color, where I have seen where I have told you to show the color scheme in the map. Okay, so it is between in the map that it is found in Deccan Plateau. Okay, and then Himalayan foothills. Okay, Himalayan foothills means if this is a mountain, Okay, foothills means our foot is down, na? That is why our foot is down. So foothills means the down part of the mountain regions. Okay, this is a hill and this is the foot of the hills. Okay, if this type of hills are there, and so this is a down, like we are having our foots at the down. Okay, so the foot of the mountains also are having down. So foothills means downward. Okay, at the down where the foot is there of the foothills. Himalayan foothills means the places which are situated at the in the bottom of the mountain regions. Okay, Himalayan foothills which are down in the Himalayan regions. Okay, so these are the places where tropical deciduous forests are found. Then what are the trees? Shisham, sandalwood. If we will tell it in Hindi, then we will tell it sandalwood, but if we will tell it in English, we will tell it sandalwood. Okay, so shisham, sandalwood, sal and teak, these are the trees which are found in tropical deciduous forest. Okay, which are the trees? Shisham, you must have listened these names of the trees also. Shisham tree. Okay, shisham tree ki wood we are taking to make the furnitures. Okay, so many types of furnitures are made from these wood of shisham tree. Okay, so shisham tree, sandalwood, sal and teak. These trees, sal and teak, are found here also in tropical evergreen forest also, and this sal and teak trees are there found in tropical deciduous forest also. Okay, so these are the trees. These are the trees: shisham, sandalwood, sal and teak. Okay, now see some important things of these forests. Trees in these forests shed their leaves in a particular season. Like I have told you before, in the autumn season, trees shed their leaves. Like we have seen where we are living, we have the trees, they are shedding their leaves in the autumn season. So which type of forest we are having? We are living in this tropical deciduous forest type of areas. Okay, so the trees which are there in these types of forests, they shed their leaves once in a year in a particular season, means mostly in autumn season. They are also known as the monsoon forest. They are also known as the monsoon forest because they are properly dependent on the monsoon. Okay, so they are also called the monsoon forest. They are the main natural vegetation of our country. They are called the main natural vegetation. This line in the book you underline. Okay, I am telling you here in the book, it is written here. This is, you remember properly. The main natural vegetation of our country are tropical deciduous forest. Okay, tropical deciduous forest. These are the main natural vegetations of our country. Okay, because they are shedding their leaves and they are remaining green again in a new season like this, because these tropical deciduous forests are found mostly in they are covering so much of area of India. Okay, so that is why they are called main natural vegetation of our country. Okay, so we have finished the second also. Now next one, thorny forest. Okay, thorny forest, where they are found. They found in the regions with 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall, means very less rainfall. Okay, these types of forests are found in those areas where 50 to 100 centimeters rainfall is there yearly. Okay, this is very less rainfall, means mostly they are found in dry areas, mostly in deserts. Okay, so they are widespread in drier regions. Okay, they are widespread. Widespread means fairly away. Okay, fairly away. They are widespread in the drier regions, where drier regions are there, where only 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall they are getting yearly. Okay, so they are found. These types of forests are found in those areas. Then what are the places? Places are deserts and dry areas. Deserts and dry areas. They are found in mostly deserts or in drier areas. Okay, they are widespread in drier areas. Where the dry areas are there, these types of forests are there mostly. Then which are the trees? Kikar, date palm and babool. Okay, you must have listened that these babool trees are growing in the deserts. mostly the that babul trees are going in the drier areas or in deserts. Okay, so these are the main trees of thorny forest: kikar, date palm, and babul. So these are the main. And cactus is also growing in the deserts. Okay, so in the cactus tree you must have seen the thorns, kate. Okay, so this thorn means kate. That is why thorny forest. Okay, so kikar, date palm, and babul, these are the main trees of these thorny areas. So again I am explaining you. First is tropical evergreen forest. They are the forests mostly found in which areas? Those areas which are getting the rainfall approx 200 centimeter yearly. Okay, these are what are the places? Odisha, Western Ghats, and northeastern regions of India. These are the places where these types of forests are found. Then what are the trees? Rosewood, mahogany, teak, sal, and ebony. These are the main trees of these tropical evergreen forests. And ebony is the main tree because they are evergreen always throughout the year. Then tropical deciduous forests. They are the forests mostly found in those areas which are having 100 to 200 centimeter rainfall yearly. Okay, and the places are Deccan Plateau and Himalayan foothills. And the trees are shisham, sandalwood, sal, and teak. And they are shedding their leaves once in a year, mostly in autumn season. So they are called the monsoon forest also, and they are the main natural vegetation of our India. If the question is asked in the exam or the test that what type of forest are the main natural vegetations of India, so you have to write this: tropical decidual forest are the main types of natural vegetation of India. Okay, then thorny forest, they found in the regions with 50 to 100 centimeter. Okay, mostly widespread in drier areas. The places are desert and dry areas. Trees are kika, date palm, and babul. Okay, these are the main trees of thorny forest. Now two more types of forest are there. Let's see about that. Okay.